Hello!
Hello!
And welcome today to Hidcote Manor Gardens. It's a National Trust estate and gardens in the Cotswolds. We're here, we're going to have a spot of lunch, we're meeting some family here. How are you looking forward to it?
I love coming here, and we were saying again, we haven't been here for a while, obviously due to COVID and everything, but I'm so excited to show you all the gardens and hopefully just show you all like the little rooms and everything, so that's exciting.
Fingers crossed the weather stays nice. It's a bit sort of grey in places, but we'll see what it's like. Let's go and explore. So Hidcote is made up of sort of lots of little garden rooms. So you can see they're sort of segmented off by these big yew hedges.
This one's called the Maple Garden.
The Maple Garden, I guess
don't
it's...
know why.
Oh, there's a maple, yeah. Because you've got all these garden rooms, you end up with these sort of tight corridors of planting. It's really pretty. I love all of these ferns over here, and there's just sort of so much to look at. The plants are so sort of packed in. So the whole garden covers about 10.5 acres, and I think it was sort of designed in stages from about the sort of early 1900s through to sort of 1940s. So I think it sort of evolved over time, but it is just beautiful. I love this whole kind of garden rooms thing.
It's like a room within a room, and it's really interesting. And then like the colour schemes as well, which we'll show you.
Yeah, they're sort of different within each section. There's this beautiful stream that runs through the sort of valley of the garden. I'm just walking through it, and it's sort of dappled sunlight under these trees with loads of love sort of ferns and shade-loving plants, and really is a highlight of the garden. They've got a lovely cafe here at Hidcote. At the minute it's sort of just selling things like teas, coffees, sandwiches, pasties, sausage rolls, no big full meals, plenty of seating inside, but if the weather's good, this really nicely spaced out kind of terrace area is beautiful. Obviously there's loads of places you can go and sit and have a picnic and things, but yeah, the sun's come out for us, it's glorious. There's something about this garden with having kind of walkways that suddenly get to kind of a vista. So if you walk through this kind of tunnel, and then you just get this view, kind of overlooking the entire garden, that beautiful house in the background. This rhododendron is just so vivid.
I love how these like little windy paths are within this like jungle. And look at the colours, the whites, the blues, the yellows, and then you kind of go through these like secret areas, and then onto a massive lawn. It goes for miles.
So this is our favourite part of the whole of Hidcote, this big long border, just arrow straight, but the planting again, it's just so thick and deep, there's barely any soil on show, and it is just full of flowers. So we couldn't go to the National Trust without having a look in the shop. So we've just finished exploring Hidcote Gardens. It's really great. The weather held out for us. Just a fantastic garden. It has to be one of the best gardens I think we've ever been to. Certainly one of the best in the country. I know it's quite famous. Did you enjoy it?
As always, I enjoy our trips out. That's why we come and visit these places.
Yeah.
This is definitely one of my favourites. As I said, there's something for everyone. There's the veg garden, the glass house, you know, obviously the main gardens, the water features. So yeah, there's like little rooms everywhere, and it's so good to explore.
And that's it. I think that's what's sort of special about Hidcote, the design of it. All these separate little rooms, all themed slightly differently, different styles of planting. But I've never seen so many flowers in one place. Hopefully this footage kind of shows it off. It's always hard to capture it on camera, but 100% if you're in this area, if you're in the Cotswolds, we're kind of in the north end of the Cotswolds towards sort of Stratford way, just come here. It is absolutely beautiful. Cannot kind of emphasize it enough. Oh, so that's us for today. We're gonna head off home, so we'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and try and give this video a like if you can, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!